RAM. Anyone say what is ROM and what is RAM? This will be ROM is random. ROM is read only memory. So RAM is random access memory. So in this topic, we connect this ROM and RAM in the same meeting. Okay. So what are the stages in your design? There are 5 stages. The stages of BD, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, final one is efficiency. Okay. So, your RAM and ROM, before going to this topic, is memory. Normally it says as memory. Okay. So, before that, we have a computer system, right? So, in this computer system, there are many number of issues. That is booting issue, maintain, like system corruption. So, these are all due to only the memory failure. Okay. So, this is the part of empathy. Okay. So, in your empathy, why you are using both the RAM and ROM as a memory in your computer? Okay. So, that is what the empathy part. Okay. We will call it based on that data. Okay. So, finally, we define memory is needed for the computer system, whether CPU or microcomputer. For the system, memory is the vital role. Okay, like we say that it's the brain of CPU. Okay, why it is called means? So, without the RAM, we cannot start the computer. Okay, so like this RAM and ROM in your place, as we have seen about the flip flops, right? So that flip flop is in your RAM and ROM. Okay, that's the flip flop is nothing but it is a 1-bit storage device. That is, it stores the 0 or 1. Okay, so that is storage is nothing but memory. So in your memory, we are using the flip flop. Okay, so that group of flip flops called register, that is also used in your it is a part of memory. We have primary memory, secondary memory, and then cache memory, and then one is registers. So in the register, there are group of flip flops. Okay, so we perfectly define this RAM and ROM as a read-only memory, as I said, and then random access memory. Okay. So both the memories are used for only storage purpose, but in the name is like the same as ROM and RAM. So like it is like as a same one, right? So but the main difference in this, the name is read-only memory. Okay, it is only for the purpose of read function. There is no write function. Here random access memory, it has both read function and also write function. Okay, but we are using it in the random access function. Random access means the address location of this function is variable. Okay. So here I need the solution for this RAM and ROM. Okay. So this RAM and ROM, there is read-only memory is a non-volatile function. This random access memory is a volatile function. Okay, so there are different types of ROM and RAM are there. This ROM is classified into 3 types, that is 0, E0, and then E0. Okay, so P0 means is a programmable read-only memory. Okay, so E0 is a traceable programmable read-only memory. E0 is a electrical programmable. Okay, so and then we have a flash memory also. So this is the advanced version of EEPROM. So and then RAM has two types, that is SRAM and then DRAM. SRAM is nothing but static RAM. DRAM is a dynamic RAM. Okay, so these are all the types of ROM and RAM. These are all the difference. Okay, so we consider as that. Let's take one example for this RAM. Okay, so we take an example of you consider computer as a chip. When we consider as a chip. Okay, so the chip has a good, right? So what will be good? Different number of recipes. Okay, so and then we have a notepad. Okay. This book is a permanent one. Okay, we have all number of recipes there, and then notepad is a just for at that time what we are doing, we have noted down. Okay, so once the book is finished, we can erase this and then. Okay, this is acts like a run, it's acts like a row. Okay, so that's why row is a permanent memory. RAM is a temporary memory. Okay, like I'm giving row and then could you differentiate one and one? We can differentiate the name itself. It is known as a read body memory, and then RAM is a random access memory. Anything else? Example code we know and then it's a SRAM. So it's not an example, it is a types of that no, and then it's the types of good. And then third, any other difference? It is a ROM is a non-volatile type, RAM is a volatile type. Okay? Clear? So as we said, ROM is a permanent storage, and then RAM as a temporary storage. Okay, so this is about the ROM and then RAM. I hope you all understand.
Yes, ma'am.